If you want to assign a ringtone to a contact on your Samsung Galaxy A36, it's quite easy to do so. First of all, make sure to open up your contacts application. Now choose a desired contact. Now press more at the bottom, press change ringtone/vibration and choose your ringtone tab. Now you can choose from the list of added or preset ringtones, or if you need to add a custom one, press this plus and choose a custom one from the list of the ringtones. Now press save, and basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.